Wow, this is amazing. I am so glad we got these tickets, Emma. The atmosphere in this arena is electric.
I know, David. I have never been to a live basketball game before. It is so much more exciting than watching it on television. The noise from the crowd is incredible.
It is, isn't it? This is what I love about live sports. You can really feel the energy of the thousands of people around you.
I admit I am not a big sports expert. I don't really know the rules of basketball very well, but I am excited to learn.
That is no problem at all. I am just happy that you came with me. I will be your personal commentator for the game. I can explain everything as it happens.
That would be perfect. I want to be able to cheer at the right moments. So, who are the two teams that are playing tonight?
The home team, the team we are cheering for, are the City Falcons. They are wearing the white uniforms. The visiting team are the Bay City Sharks in the blue uniforms.
The Falcons in white and the Sharks in blue. Got it. The players are all on the court now. They are so tall.
They are incredible athletes. Okay, the game is about to start. The referee is in the center of the court with the ball. This is called the tip-off.
The tip-off. So this is how the game begins.
Yes, the referee will throw the ball straight up into the air, and one player from each team will jump up and try to tip the ball to their teammates. This decides which team gets the ball first.
Okay, I see. So what is the basic objective of the game? I know they have to get the ball in the hoop, or the basket.
That is the main goal. Each team has 5 players on the court. The goal is to score more points than the other team by shooting the ball through their opponent's hoop. At the same time, they have to defend their own hoop to stop the other team from scoring.
Look, our team, the Falcons, won the tip-off. We have the ball. Now we are on offense. What was that? The referee just blew his whistle and stopped the game. What happened? That was a foul. The player in the blue uniform from the Sharks pushed our player who was trying to shoot the ball. So a foul is when you do something that is against the rules, like pushing someone. Exactly. Pushing, holding, or hitting another player is not allowed. It is an illegal action. When a player commits a foul, the referee stops the game and gives a penalty. What is the penalty for a foul like that? Because our player was in the act of shooting, he gets to take 2 free throws. This means he gets 2 unopposed shots at the basket from the free throw line. Each successful shot is worth 1 point.
He made both of his free throws, so the Falcons are winning 2-0. It is a great start to the game.
This is so exciting. I can see why people are so passionate about it. Can you tell me who the best players are? Who should I be watching?
That is a great question. Every team has its star players. For our team, the Falcons, the best player is number 23, James "Jet" Johnson.
James Jet Johnson. He must be very fast to have a nickname like Jet.
He is incredibly fast and athletic. He is the team's top scorer. He can jump so high, it is amazing to watch. He is the heart and soul of our team.
And what about the other team, the Sharks? Who is their star player?
Their best player is number 10, Maria Vega. She is famous for being an amazing shooter. She can score from anywhere on the court. She is very dangerous, so our team needs to defend her very carefully.
So we need to stop Maria Vega from shooting, and we need our star, James Johnson, to score lots of points. I am starting to understand the strategy.
You are a very fast learner. Look, Johnson has the ball now. He is very far away from the basket. I don't think he is going to shoot from there.
Wow, he just shot the ball from so far away, and it went in. The crowd is going crazy. That was incredible.
That was a three-point shot. That is one of the most exciting plays in basketball. I cannot believe he made that.
A 3-point shot? Why is it called that?
Do you see that big, curved line on the court? That is the three-point line. If a player shoots from behind that line and scores, the basket is worth 3 points instead of the usual 2 points. It is a much more difficult shot to make, so it is rewarded with more points. That was a truly amazing piece of skill.
3 points. That is a huge score. So the Falcons are now winning by 5 points. What an exciting start!
It is. The other team, the Sharks, do not look very happy. Look at their coach on the sideline. He is shouting at his players.
He does look very angry. Oh, and now he is making a T sign with his hands. What does that mean? The referee has stopped the game again.
He has called a timeout. A timeout is a short break in the game that the coach can request. Each team has a few timeouts they can use during the game.
And why would a coach call a timeout?
There are a few reasons. In this case, our team has just scored a lot of points and has all the momentum. The Sharks coach is calling a timeout to stop our momentum and to give his team a chance to rest and regroup. During the timeout, he will talk to his players and give them a new strategy or a new defensive plan to try and stop us.
So the coach is like the general of an army. He is in charge of the strategy and the tactics. That is very interesting.
A good coach is extremely important. They are the brains of the team. Okay, the timeout is over, and the game is starting again.
What was that loud buzzer sound? Is the game over already?
No, not yet. That buzzer signals the end of the second quarter. We are now at halftime.
Halftime? What happens now?
Halftime is a longer break in the middle of the game. The players will go back to their locker rooms to rest and talk to their coaches. And we, the spectators, have about 15 minutes
to get some snacks or use the restroom. The score right now is Falcons 52, Sharks 48. It is a very close game. Our team is winning, but only by a little bit.
It is a very close and exciting game. I am really enjoying it. The first half was fantastic. I am excited to see what happens in the second half.
Me too. The second half is often even more exciting as the teams get more tired and the pressure increases.
Okay, the players are back on the court. The second half is starting. Oh, what happened there? The referee blew his whistle again.
That was a controversial call. The referee said that our player, number 5, committed a foul, but I do not agree with his decision at all.
Why not? What do you think happened?
I think the player from the other team, the one in the blue uniform, pretended to be pushed. It is called flopping. He was acting to try and trick the referee into calling a foul. And it worked. Look, the whole crowd is booing. They all agree with me. That was a bad call from the referee.
I see. So the fans and the players can disagree with the referee's decisions? It is a very emotional part of the game.
It certainly is. Being a sports fan is a roller coaster of emotions. You feel joy and you feel frustration. Okay, look at the time on the big screen. There are only 2 minutes left in the game.
And the score is so close. It is 100-99. We are only winning by 1 point. My heart is beating so fast. This is very tense.
This is the best part of basketball. The final 2 minutes of a close game are the most exciting moments in all of sports. Every single second is important.
The Sharks have the ball now. This is a very important possession for them, isn't it?
It is crucial. If they score now, they will take the lead. Our team needs to play perfect defense and stop them. This is so nerve-wracking. I cannot watch.
They missed the shot. The Sharks missed. Our team got the rebound. We have the ball. There are only 10 seconds left on the clock.
Come on, Falcons. You can do it. Just hold on to the ball. Don't let them foul you.
We are running down the clock. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Buzzer sounds. The game is over. We won! We won the game!
We won! That was amazing! The whole crowd is on their feet, cheering and clapping. What an incredible ending to an incredible game! I am so happy.
I told you it was exciting. My voice is gone from shouting so much. That was a fantastic performance by our team. They played with so much heart.
They really did. Thank you so much for bringing me today, David. I had the most amazing time. And thank you for explaining everything so clearly. I feel like I am a real basketball fan now.
It was my absolute pleasure, Emma. I am so glad you enjoyed it. We will have to come to another game together very soon.